Good morning everyone. My name is Nisha Nevi and I am going to present a presentation on a slope detection. The slope detection is the method of FM demodulation which converts the received FM signal to AM and demodulate with an envelope detector. Detection is the very simplest form of frequency modulation, FM demodulation, and slope detector consists of a tuned circuit where the center frequency is tuned as a frequency slightly offset for the carrier of the signal. In this way, the frequency modulated signal sits on the slope of response curve, giving a rise to the name of FM slope detector. Frequency of the signals varies up and down in the frequency according to its modulation, so the signal move ups and down the slope of the tuned circuit response curve. This causes the amplitude of the signal. This causes the amplitude of the signal to vary within the frequency variation. In fact, at this point, the signal has both frequency and amplitude variation. The slope detection is a method of FM demodulation which converts the received FM signal to AM and demodulate with an envelope detector. Slope detector. As you can see, the below given diagram shows the slope detector. As you can see, there's an input FM. Below is the diagram of the slope detector. You can see LA and CA tuned circuit produce output voltage that is proportion to the input frequency. Maximum output voltage occur at the resident frequency of the tuned circuit F0. Output decreases as the input frequency, and when IF deviated below the FC, the output voltage decreases. Thus, the tuned circuit convert frequency variation to amplitude variation, FM to AM converter. Simple can be used to provide a FM demodulation when only an AM detector is present. Second, enables FM to detect without any additional circuitry. Disadvantages: not linear as the output is dependent upon the curve of a filter. Not particularly effective as it requires the signal to be centered on the falling response of filter. This means that the signal cannot be received at its maximum signal strength. Both frequency and amplitude variation are demodulated, and this means that much higher levels of noise and interference. Conclusion: it can quickly be seen that this form of demodulation has many drawbacks. As a result, any radio receiver equipment for frequency modulation reception will include a much better FM detector demodulation circuit that will produce much higher level of performance. Thank you.